Are you too? Oh, devastated. GoPro 9 smash lens. I'm so glad they're actually interchangeable nowadays. From now on, I don't know how much of this footage is actually usable, but we've got some good footage so far, so it is what it is. The hills are alive with the sound of what's he got me riding here? Oh, he's such a messy bugger. He's just got a splash around. It's like a big kid. Oh, that's a good one, that. Whoa. Yeah, so if anybody is down this way and is thinking about somewhere to stop for either a cake, some nice food, or just some breakfast stuff, tea at the Shee is the one. Plenty parking, just dead nice. Butt off the seat. Oh, these roads, they're so cool. The dips and the climbs. There's some fun ass roads. Oh, these roads are just so much fun. I feel relaxed, I feel chilled, I feel comfortable, I feel in control. I feel like this big old armchair just does it all. Makes for a very, very easy, lazy ride in total comfort. It's what biking holidays are all about. Oh, that was a lovely house. Bit of a tight one for me, that. But we are go. I definitely need one of them yellow Perspex covers. 100%. They look badass. Well, I really don't want to jinx it, but at least we've got dry roads today, which is just brilliant. Heading through Kirkmichael village shop. Seems like a lovely quaint little place. Hello darkness, my old friend. We definitely need a jet wash. We need to treat these bikes to some love, because just look, filth. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. You can do whatever you feel. It's fun to stay at the YMCA. We're blocking all the road. YMCA. I don't flies fast. Flies are just so fast. Look at him. He ready, let's go. Hopefully I don't trap a fly in my visor. What? 2 hours? A winner. Well, this is a bloody big thing. It's a big fat nope from me. It's a big fat nope from me. I do not wish to get crushed. I do not wish to get crushed. Third gear chugging. Chug, chug, chug. Thank you. Might used to have one of them. Sheep at the roadside, ready to run. Gotta be ready for the little buggers. Decline. Lots of distilleries in Scotland. Oh, it's a forever bend. It's a forever bend. The bend that goes on forever. Might wants to go this way. This way we shall go. Thank you. We march to the beat of Mike's drum. Driving on road. That's what the sat nav says. So helpful. Bloody by Jingo, where's he taking us? Ugh. Not want to meet something coming around these bends quite fast, would you? No, sir. Just saw a sign for chocolate. Award-winning chocolatiers. I guess we're going here. go me. I'm so bad at U-turns. Tight ones anyway. Private car park, strictly in on the day customers only. We've just pulled up for a little break to have a look at this Chocolatiers, which looks very Hogwarty. They've got a chocolate lounge. What? These are all the chocolate awards. Oh my god. So it looked lovely in there, but being tight as cramp, can't justify having to remortgage for a few chocolate bars. No. Look at that thickness. Oh, it smells so good. Right, be right back while I get a chocolate moustache. Oh, that'll wake you up. That's dark chocolate. Right, let's go. Let's go, Eskimo Momo. So we've just left the Chocolatiers. We're heading past Loch Tay. And then we're heading down to our hotel, which we've literally just booked now whilst we're at the Chocolatiers. It's called Powder Mills, and it seems like a right nice hotel. Breakfast included, reviews say great breakfast, so happy days. Whoa. Shot me with the speed gun. Wow, look at that. That is one conifer. Bloody grass cutters. Where are you gonna go? Where are you going? Let's all go past the grass cutter. We've been so lucky with the weather today. The Cairngorms was forecasted rain. It's a single track lane full of lots of people. Lots of people chilling on the rocks. Chilling and killing. Oh, we're not in killing anymore. We're in. Oh, the little motorcycle's blocking the name. That's cool.
way.
Rodder, say hi. Say hi.
Okay, what are you doing?
Is that where I went with Claudia?
Yeah, so that's where Caffeine and Machine is. So Rodder's got a pub in the Cotswolds. He's on this bike. An absolute beast. He told me it used to be yellow, but he's done it blue. I think it looks pretty smart. Just runs forever, he said. See you later, Rodder. Welcome to Androma. Ah, so we're back passing the Green Welly. Lots of people rave about the Green Welly, so let's stop here. Or not. Or do. Oh, I guess we're staying here. Oh shit, that was a bit of a drop for me. Is that alright here? Just looks like quite low. Do you know what I mean? A picture outside the Green Welly. What? Forever dangling. Mike's just had to push me up because we're on a bit of a hill. It's a hard life being a short ass. Twisties for a mile, don't mind if we do. So these are the roads from the Green Welly to Oban. And we're currently 35 minutes away from the hotel. Nazionale. Nazionale.
Do you want to go this way or do you want to go to Auburn?
What's this way?
This way takes us down to our hotel.
Right guys, so we've just arrived at our next hotel. It's called Powder Mills. And oh my god, you had to go up a little private driveway with a gate. And this is the accommodation and it's absolutely stunning. So I'll show you what it's like inside. So they've got a gorgeous little welcome name tag. Mike Pie, that shows that we're staying in the McLaren room. They've got 2 boxer dogs which are absolutely adorable. They've got some bold decor and I absolutely love it. This is like fantasy house stuff for me. And then they've got an unconventional way of getting up there. Big skylight. Loads of cool maps. And then the doors have these lovely names. So like this is the Ross room, the Campbell room, and me and Mike are in the McLaren room. Let's hope Mike's not naked. Nope. So this is the room. Welcome with some water, a nice little guest book. And then we've got a patio, which is absolutely stunning. I'm genuinely in love. We've got this, which I can only imagine is for the boxers to have a splash around. But my god, it is absolutely beautiful. That's where we came up on the bikes, around there. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So we're about to get our bike gear on. There's no food here, but they have told us that 7 miles down the road is basically a place where there's loads of options, fish and chips, everything like that. So that's where we're going to head off to now, get some scran. Chauffeured to food in style. So we found somewhere to eat. It's called the Garden Bar and it's at the George Hotel. It's outside, there's picnic benches and astroturf. All is right with the world. So the food's just arrived, it smells amazing. What have you got, Mike?
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger, chips, cocktails, Coca-Cola, tandoori chicken. Oh,